So when you break down a daiquiri, you have 1 ounce of lime and you have 3/4 ounces of sugar, right? So it's almost completely balanced, but just a little bit on tilt, a little bit more sour than it is sweet. And that's what gives it this refreshing, crisp, clean nature. If you're using fresh lime juice, you're good. If you're using regular ass sugar like we all have access to, you're good. If you got better sugar, let me know, because I would love to use better sugar, right? But it usually is just the same shit, right? It really does come down to the rum. That is your backbone. Now the thing with lime juice is a lot of people say you can use it the next day. Don't, because as soon as it is introduced to oxygen, there is a breakdown of enzymes. It really starts to break down the nature of the citrus. After about 4 to 6 hours, even 8 hours, lime is at its peak. It's almost too acidic right away. You're gonna go with 2 ounces of rum. You're gonna go with 1 ounce of lime. Okay. All right. Now you see that frost there? So that temperature change will plateau. A lot of people are like, oh, I want to use that big block ice when I shake. It doesn't fucking matter. It's all cold. You will see that we get that beautiful texture at the top. And those are those proteins from that pectin and ravioli and sitting at the top. You don't get that with old lime juice. You get that with fresh lime juice.